In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear recent files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to remove items from the recent section so they no longer appear in your list. First, open Google Drive. On your computer, go to drive.google.com and sign in if you're prompted. You should see your Drive homepage with the left-hand sidebar. Next, click Recent. It's in the sidebar on the left. This view lists files you've opened or edited recently, sorted by activity. This is the section we're going to clear an item from. Now right-click a file. Move your mouse over the file you want to clear from the recent list, then right-click to open the menu. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click, or click the three dots next to the file to open the same menu. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct file. From here, click Remove. In the context menu, choose Remove. As soon as you click, Google Drive will take action on that file. If you own the file, it moves to your trash, which means it's no longer in recent or in your main My Drive view, but it isn't permanently deleted yet. If it's a file someone else shared it with you, Remove simply takes it out of your drive and out of recent for your account. It does not delete the original file for the owner or other collaborators. Either way, the file disappears from the recent list, so it's no longer visible there. You'll see the remove file drop out of the recent view right away. If your screen is busy, watch for the list to update. This confirms the item has been cleared from recent. If you clicked remove by mistake, don't worry, because remove is a reversible action for items you own. Items you own go to trash, where you can restore them later. Items you don't own can be added back to your drive from the original shared link if needed. To recap on what you're seeing on the screen, we opened Google Drive, went to the recent section, right-clicked the specific file we wanted to clear, and clicked remove. That one action clears it from the recent list for your account. There's nothing else you need to configure. The change applies immediately to your view, and you can continue working in Drive as normal. At this point, the process to clear a recent file in Google Drive is complete and working. The file you removed no longer appears in the recent section. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.